We're making a meat sauce. Bolognese is its name. We're making bolognese. Start by dicing a large, or in my case, a mutant onion. Add about a tablespoon of oil or butter, a big pinch of salt, and saute on high heat until you think you're gonna burn them. Then, go a little further. Trust me, just do it, you'll be fine. Chop up some garlic, which for me means a head of garlic. It should be minced, so however you get there, go for it. Use a knife, use a press, use a Pampered Chef garlic grinder, do your thing. When the onions are done, they'll look like this. Add the garlic and cook until fragrant, then remove from heat and get started on the meat. Add up to 2 pounds of meat. Well, actually, I added the full package, but forgot I was making meatballs too, so removed what I needed and was left with 1.6 pounds, but I digress. Anyway, brown the meat without any oil if you're using 80% beef. And when I say brown the meat, I mean brown it, not gray it. Take it deeper in color than you think is safe. Ready? Keep going. It's gonna stick, but it'll be fine. Nope, keep going. Alrighty, we're there. Add half a bottle of red wine. I added a cup of beef stock as well. It's not needed, but it does intensify the beefiness and richness of the sauce once it cooks down. Now, if you cook and don't make a mess, did you even cook? Yes, you did. In fact, working clean is actually preferable. Add the onions and garlic along with a whole jar of pasta sauce. Arrabbiata or marinara are great. Be sure to taste as you go, especially when things are cooking down. You don't want it to taste perfect right now because all the flavors will intensify as water evaporates and the sauce reduces. You want to taste the richness of the beef and the wine, the acidity the tomato sauce brings, the sweetness of the onions, yet it will still be slightly diluted, and that's fine. Magically, right as it gets to the proper consistency, it will all come together and be perfect. Salt and pepper to taste, then serve. My grandmother always puts carrots in, which cuts the richness I'm looking for. When I was a kid, Nana would also put a Kraft single on the bottom before the Peasy and Bolognese, so you get this cheesy goodness. You know, for the kids. The areas where you can run into issues here are not browning enough when you need to. If you don't cook the onions enough, if you don't brown the beef enough, you're not gonna get the depth and richness of flavor that Bolognese is supposed to have. Now that's fine, you're just gonna be missing out on a lot of flavor potential. Just trust yourself. You'll be okay. You'll be okay.